How to add transitions from the effects library in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the edit page, which is where you can access all the timeline and editing tools. Next, head over to the effects library located on the top left side of the interface. If you don't see it, just click on the effects to toggle it open. Now, under the effects library, click on PD transitions. You will find a list of transition effects like cross dissolve, blur dissolve, dip to color, and more. Hovering over each will give you a quick preview of how they work. Drag the transition effect of your choice and drop it right between the two clips on your timeline. You will see a little icon appear where the clips meet, indicating the transition is applied. To adjust the duration or the type of transition, just click on the transition icon in the timeline and go to the inspector panel. Here you can customize the length, alignment, and other parameters of the transition to better match your editing style. If the transition doesn't apply directly, make sure there's enough trimmed footage at the ends of your clips. Without extra frames, DaVinci Resolve can't blend them smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to add transitions from the effects library in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.